Okay, I'm going to name off some of those amenities now, but let me say something. Back in 2016, you can put up a basic apartment, have grandma's picture when you come in the door, old beat up couches, right? Put it up there and you could do well. You can't do that in 2024. You actually have to have, the name of the game is to be in the top 10%, is to really know the amenities that should be in the property. And if you're really stocking it with what people are looking for in that city, you're going to stand out from everybody else. Because they still have that mindset. People still have that mindset. And that's why the Airbnb bust happened, where people are like getting crushed right now because they're like, I'm not making any money. No, it's not. It's because you never took the chance and the opportunity to go in and make your place better. So you just decided, I'm just going to keep my property up because if it's not broken, I'm not going to fix it. Instead of adding amenities and crushing it, you kept everything the same. And also, you're paying your cleaners massive fee. What we do is we hired in-house. So we have cleaners at $20 an hour. They can clean a place in 3 hours. That's $60 for a 3-hour clean, where you guys are going to pay $175 to a professional company. So that's one major optimization that we did. 2 is I want you to think about this. The number 1 searched amenity in Airbnb is a pool. The number 2 searched amenity, hot tub. Number 3 searched amenity, workstation. Number 4 searched amenity, king bed. These are things. 5, game room. So when you can get these things into